Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2000 model Hyundai Excel two-door Sprint. Stock reference number 4796. The shape runs from the 11th month 1997 through to the 9th month 2000. There's a G4 EK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4 EK 1.5 litre double overhead cam 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand corner lamp. Left front 13-inch steel rim, ball tyre. Bonnet has a few small dents. Left door has 5 small dents. Left rear 13-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate has 1 large dent. Rear bumper covers covered in wrapped liner or something along them lines. Right rear 13-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. Right door has 2 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right manual door mirror and a right front 13-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. With the driver's side door trim, manual window winder, black cloth interior, manual console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, sliding type, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.